This reconnaissance vehicle is built by Jot. Over 240 are in service in the French Army. In addition, 108 vehicles were sold to Morocco and 12 to Qatar. This is called the AMX-10 RC. The RC on AMX stands for RAW is cannon, or wheeled gun. Initial work on the AMX-10 RC began in 1970, prototypes testing began in 1976, and the first production vehicle was delivered in 1981 to the 2nd Regiment de Hussards. The vehicle features a powerful Jot 105mm gun mounted in a welded aluminium turret. The TK-105 turret also serves to house 3 crew members, while the driver sits in the front of the hull. The Kotak fire control system is provided for gun aiming. All 6 wheels are driven, and the AMX-10 RC uses skid steering to turn the hull. The AMX-10 RC initially used the Hispano-Suiza HS-115-2 multi-fuel, liquid-cooled, supercharged V8 engine rated at 250 horsepower at 3,200 RPM. The 6x6 AMX-10 RC is TED with a hydropneumatic suspension system with variable ground clearance and tilt, provided by Messier Auto Industry. A centralized lubrication and tire inflation system is fitted. A shock damper is mounted at each wheel station. The AMX-10 RC is fitted with a 105/47 F2 Mika 105mm medium pressure gun, mounted in a Jot Industries TK-105 3-man turret. The F2 cannon Res 105x527R proprietary ammunition. The turret uses SAM CH-49 electro-hydraulic gun control system. An NF 17.62mm machine gun is mounted coaxially to the main armament, and 2 electrically operated smoke grenade launchers are mounted on each side of the turret. A total of 38 main gun rounds and 4,000 rounds of 7.62mm ammunition and 16 smoke grenades are carried.